Hello, this is Edgar Carreño here, giving you an update on this live account that we started, remember, with 550, and I'll give you an update just in a minute. But let me tell you that this past week was an exciting week. We had a lot of movement in the market, we had a lot of volatility, because we had a lot of indicators and a lot of news this past week that usually moves the currency. Now, this is what we do on Monday. We come here. I usually use Forex Factory. That's a good resource, very easy to use, very friendly. And this is what you want to look at. This is Monday, right? So I'm screening for the news that I'm interested in. That is in the Euro and the USD. But the ones that you want to look at are the ones in red with the red flags. For example, on Tuesday, let's see, on Monday I don't have anything. I have some euro, but you see it's yellow, so it doesn't usually move that much a currency. Now on Tuesday I have the euro here at 5 a.m. my time, Eastern Standard Time, Central Standard Time, I mean. And then I have on Wednesday I have several GBPs. On Thursday I have the USD unemployment claim. This is a good one. Usually moves the currency. Where? Well, that depends on the market and depends on the news. If it's higher than forecasted, it's usually good for the currency. If it's lower than forecasted, it's usually bad for the currency. But you never know what the market is going to do. So this is what we do on Monday, and then we already have our system set up. Now this past week there were a lot of news that moved the currency, the USD, and the euro also. So we had a lot of volatility, a lot of ups and downs. Last week we started with minus $66 on open position, and we had a balance of about 610 to 612 around there. Now we have 625 on balance, 624 on equity, 0.58, and minus 55. That means that these are the open positions that I have right now. Now we had a good gain. We had around 2% gain on this account in just a week, and especially that's a good one because we had a lot of volatility, so we had a lot of opportunities to profit from, but also opportunities to take losses. And I did close, let me just mention this, I closed 3 open positions, and this is, I want to take a time to show you this, and this is how I do it. I closed 3 open positions because it exceeded my time limits that I'm usually comfortable with an open position. Now here it is. I took a loss on almost $2 on each one, 3 open positions, and I closed it because I have a time limit that I like an open position, and that reduces my risk. And so I took the opportunity that they weren't losing that much, and I closed them because to my criteria, it was going to take a while before it reached again that point. Looking to the market. Of course, I can never know if I'm going to be right until it happens. Now this I learned from Master Trader Joe Ross, which I highly recommend that you put a limit. I highly recommend Joe Ross's material. So what Joe Ross says, and what I like to do is I have a time limit. If it exceeds that time and the currency has not moved to the place that I thought or anticipated it is going to move, then I close the positions and try to take the minimal loss that I can. But I'm not risking to have an open position that will eat up my profit in the future. So this is something that I do and has worked very well. I have a certain amount of money that I put into each trade. That's risk management, and this is time management, and not setting a time. I usually put a week or 2 weeks, and if it doesn't go that way, then I close the position. So here's where we are on this beginning of the week on 625 on balance, 624 on equity, and open positions of 55 cents. This is great. It's working beautifully. I'm loving this hybrid system. And remember, this kind of systems are not yet on the market. We're just reviewing it, but so far we've been into more than 6 months now, and we really love what we're looking at here. because it capitalizes on what the market does most, that is move around. All right, this is it for today. I'll keep you posted on this account. Until next time, keep it fun, guys, and keep it profitable.